Dear students, welcome to the history class. Today we are going to study the second chapter of the history, early humans. Human beings have been living on the earth since a long time. Scientists have found skeleton and fossils in Africa which resemble the human beings and are 4 to 5 million years old. These early humans are known as hominids. In 1974 in Ethiopia, scientists discovered the remains of a female body which was quite similar to the present human beings. They named her Lucy and estimated that the remains are about 3.18 million years old. This was the oldest human remains discovered till date. We know that human beings are an intelligent species. They have adapted themselves to changing climatic conditions and have spread out to various parts of the world. They moved from Africa to Europe and many far off Asian countries. The early human beings they used to either hunt for their food or gather it from their surroundings. During this time, they developed tools for the purpose of hunting, cutting, or digging things from the ground. The first topic of the chapter is Stone Age. What do you mean by the Stone Age? Stone Age means the humans started to use stones for the making their tools, and therefore this period in the human history is known as the Stone Age. The Stone Age can be divided into three periods based on the quality of stones they used to make their tools. First one is Paleolithic period, second Mesolithic, and third one is Neolithic period. The words is taken from the Greek and the meanings are Paleo means old, lithos means stone. So, Paleolithic means old stone period. And second one is Mesolithic. Meso means middle. So, middle stone age. And last one is Neolithic. Neo means new. So, new stone period or new stone age. Paleolithic period is also known as the Old Stone Age. It lasted from 5 lakh to 10,000 BCE. Next, we can see the features of the Paleolithic period. First feature is food gatherers. In this stage, humans were nomads and food gatherers. They did not stay at one place and kept moving from one place to another in search of food. They moved in groups. They killed animals and ate raw meat. They also ate roots of plants, wild fruits, nuts, seeds, etc. Second feature is clothing. They used the leaves of bark of the trees and furs of animals to cover their bodies. Next important feature is tools. The early human beings they used stone tools. Some tools made from bones of animals have also been found at the number of places. The important feature of the old stone age is the discovery of the fire. It is assumed that fire must have been discovered by accident. It is likely that two stones might have rubbed together, creating a spark which would have burned some dry leaves, and this must have led to the discovery of fire by early humans. Slowly and gradually, the early human beings learned the use of fire and how to control it. We can see some of the ways in which early humans used the fire. They used fire to cook meat before eating rather than eating raw meat. They lit fire outside their caves to protect themselves from the wild animals. Also, the early human kept themselves warm with the help of fire in the cold weather. Next is major Paleolithic sites. A number of Paleolithic sites have been found in Hansky and Kurnool near Krishna River, riverbeds of Swan River in Punjab, now in Pakistan, Kashmir, Narmada Valley, etc. Since early humans lived in these areas, they are also called the habitation sites. Mesolithic period is also known as the Middle Stone Age. It lasted from 10,000 to 8,000 BCE, and Neolithic period or New Stone Age lasted from 8,000 to 4,000 BCE.